Natural gas conversion process for the Prokan 67 inches European Ledge fireplace. Important: always wear protective gloves during the process and ensure all connections are properly secured to avoid gas leaks. Unscrew the screws attaching the countertop. Carefully lift and set the countertop aside on the cardboard. Take photos of the components to note where everything is connected for easier reassembly, and follow the instructions to remove all necessary components. Remove the control knob and the two screws securing the gas valve. Hold the gas valve with one hand to prevent it from falling. Remove the fire pebbles. Lift the fire bowl slightly using an object to create space for replacing the gas orifice, and please make sure to wear gloves. Disconnect the hose from the propane orifice using a wrench. Remove the propane orifice and replace it with the natural gas orifice. Reconnect the hose securely. Attach the natural gas valve. Reconnect all related components based on the demonstration instructions. Install the natural gas regulator, ensuring all hoses are securely attached and tightened to prevent leakage. Place the countertop back and secure it with screws. The fireplace is now ready to be connected to your household natural gas supply and fire up for cozy warmth.